What's up, guys? We're Motovlog day 6?
Why are you asking me, bro?
I don't know. I don't know, brother.
Your channel.
But as you can see, Rammus is absolutely packed today. It's just so many people here. Like, I don't know where I'm gonna hop on at the track. Yeah, but I don't know. We started it out a little late. We're already at the track, so we're gonna unload and start ripping. We've got the bikes unloaded, they're warming up. If you notice, that is in fact not a 125 anymore. We have a big old 250 now. It's gonna have some fun on the 250. I've been riding it the last couple of days. It feels so good out here. I really, dude, that 125, I was riding the absolute piss out of this thing. It feels so good. Anyways, get changed, hop on, do a couple warm-up laps with this dumbass, and we'll have a good time. Am I recording? Okay, I'm staying in the vlog. You look like a dumbass. Yeah. Oh, what the heck? One of the straps came undone. Come here, turn around. Yeah, this one came undone. There it goes. What? Oh. Hey, every bald man looks the same. He's baldest. Alright, warm-up time. How should we start warm-ups today? Because I'm feeling pretty damn good. This hoodie's a little hot. Might have to take it off though. So busy today. Like an old private track day. So nice. Alright. Alright. Oh, dude, these ruts are so hard. Oh! Double. Triple. Oh! Overshot the triple a little bit. Yeah, I love it's a little like a rhythm. It's kind of fun. Wish there was a little like, a little more. Alright. Oh, chased it a little bit. We're all good though. Oh, these ruts are so hard. I think we're going to try this today since we got the 250 now. I'm not that scared. I know the 250 will pull me over it. So, we'll give it a shot today. I was like, I smell burnt brakes. The big rig went by. He's slowing down. Oh, it's because he's turning. Table. Double. And then no one likes it, these ones, but I like the double. And then these corners. I'm just warming inside right there. There's light. See, this runs better. Not bad. Not bad. Some fun today. We'll see if I can get a better lap time. Did lap times yesterday. My best was 120. Trying to get that down to like, I don't know, 118 maybe. Wait for Blake. I want to chase him a little bit. force that front brake on this, if you can see. It feels so good in the corners. I mean, you just barely tap it, it's just... Where is Blake? He's been throwing whips, like little, not like good whips, but little whips over this. We'll see if he does it. Not really. I don't know. Maybe he just didn't go for it this time. Okay. I'm not gonna be able to get down there and double behind him. So we'll just join in. Join in at this corner over here. Come on, dude. If he's got that triple, he just needs to go for it. They're so hard. He's recording too. You recording? Yeah. Yeah. So I think I got it. I don't know though. Next time I'll come farther behind you. I got funky on the step up before the finish line. Yeah. Squeeze through the knees more. Yeah. I think we need to take this hoodie off. I'm sweating. Yeah, just give it a little bit. That baking soda needs it takes a little bit to kick in. You have to warm up. Like, it doesn't get rid of it fully, but I notice, at least when I take it, I'll get like arm pump until I get nice and warm, and then I don't get it for the rest of the day. Let me chase you around a little bit. I would have jumped over him. That would have been hilarious. Decent from behind. That one was not bad. You did though. take this off. Take a leak, dude. I gotta pee. Rolling whole shot. Blake's trying to do wheelies. Hey, drifter. Drifter. We got some people out here now. I think one of these days I'm about to spend some money and get like a helmet mic. Hear me better. How good the water to be. I'm sure you can hear it. But taking that break, dude. Oh man, there goes Blake's bike. I think that was like a 50 mile an hour wind now all of a sudden. Oh my god, dude. So we'll see. I'm gonna see if the wind will die down. If not, I don't know how good this walk's gonna be. Slow so you can catch up. That's hard. Ah! Don't do that. Don't you see? This is my first day ever on a bike. There it sucks. This is why I'm deaf. It's because I'm on the goddamn bike. Oh my god, the wind. I was gonna hit it, but then the wind hit. Jump the gate! It's not fair! Shoot it! How big is this? Oh, right. Not that big. back lap. They used to have a real big tip right there. I was about to just send it. Right. Right. Step off factor in there. I just changed it now. Stop. Oh yeah, look at that lean ankle. Oh yeah, yeah. Am I pro yet? Let's be honest. These pro skills. We go on the actual PB track. Track direction. We got a stun me. Nah, I got it. Come on, dash it, dash it. Take me inside. Uphill quarter. Take it outside. Right. Inside. Inside. Right. Take it inside again. Double it. Right. That was one. Right. Well, that was up the uphill corner. Right. We win. 2028 champion. Right.